Now let's see the stage 2. So recognize the progress. So now in the top stage, you have understood the problem, you have come up with a solution, you have ensured the follow-ups. Now see the progress of it. How is the progress happening? जो हमने डिस्कस किया था, जो हमने प्रॉब्लम सोचा था, क्या वो सोल्यूशन अभी हमें मिल रहा है? Again, this can't be short term. Do not expect कि एक हफ्ते में कोई चेंज हो जाएगा. Give the person sufficient time and then recognize the progress. Performance coaching. Again, continuous. Maybe you cannot give your time. Maybe the HR has to come into the picture or the concerned person's manager has to come to the picture कि वो उनको continuous समझाएंगे, बताएंगे कैसे करना है, क्या गलती हो रहा था, कैसे इसको सुधारना है. वो एक परफॉर्मेंस कोचिंग और वो कंटिन्यूअस लेवल पे होना चाहिए. Again, as I said, not an ad hoc level कि once every 3 months, 6 months you are giving training and meeting. Make it a regular one. Provide feedback. Now, I'll talk about feedback also later, but let me give you an idea. Feedback here means if the person is not doing good, tell the person in one-to-one room that you are not doing this good, you are expected to do this. If the person is doing good, share that feedback near everyone. Keep a nice body language. Keep the tone of your the way you are talking very normal. The person will appreciate it. The person will appreciate this. So never say the negative things near 10 people. We try to get hyper. We try to recognize the problem and solve it immediately. And we try to bring the solution near everyone, which may not be the correct way. The person may get disaffected mentally. So negative cheese tell one-to-one. Just the vice versa. If the person is doing good, tell it near everyone. Proper documentation. Now, this is very important. Now, there is no automation here. Koi automation nahi. It can be pen and paper. It can be your email. Whatever discussion is happening with the concerned underperformer, you have to document it each and every time. आपको भी याद रहेगा, non-performer को भी याद रहेगा. So that everyone is on a common ground. And whenever you are having a next meeting, you can simply open that email or that notebook. So हमेशा document कीजिए and refer it the next time the meeting is happening. Now comes the hard part. If you have not, even after all this, there is no improvement. So don't hesitate to take a decision. Decision means here an extreme step. So I'll talk this towards the end of my presentation. Extreme step, matlab asking the person to leave. But again, there has to be a process to it. Now, why there has to be a process to it? You are asking the person to leave, the person to chala gaya hai. But this might affect the other people who are working in the company. उनको लगेगा मैनेजमेंट तो यहाँ पे बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है, उन्होंने उसको एक दिन में निकाल दिया है. It creates a negative atmosphere in the company, which you may not be aware of. Even if you're asking someone to leave, let you follow a process which everyone will recognize. यहाँ पे काफी टाइम दिया है, काफी कुछ कोचिंग हुआ है, उसके बाद उसने काम ही नहीं किया तो उसको निकालना ही है ना. So let the employees feel safe in your company. And then always try to keep a healthy work-life balance even during those stage. जो underperformer है, we try to stress more on him कि ज्यादा काम करो, ये करो, पर वो देखिए कि उसका health life या work-life balance खराब ना हो जाए, so that the person can come from an underperformer to a high performer team.